Officially, there is no what we call no statement issued by the Foreign Office, but there has been an exchange of letters, and one of the delegations of Kashmiris has also met Foreign Minister Mr. Boris Johnson, and similarly to Mr. Corbyn also, the present party president as well, and similarly to other members of parliament. This has been what we call communicated. But and then United Nations came in. India went to United Nations. I say in different fora, United Nations has failed to bring peace to Kashmir. United Nations represents the collective conscience of the world, are simmering and which are painful for the humanity. Therefore, what I would